Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I will show you how to fix Windows 10 hanging and freezing problem in 2026 using some of the fresh practical solutions that actually target the real cause. There would be no complicated tools, just simple fixes that actually work. So without further delay, let's get straight into it. So in our step 1, you need to turn off the fast startup. So fast startup sounds helpful, but it often causes the freezes. So in order to turn it off, you just have to first of all click on this search icon here in your PC. Or once you see this type of search bar, you just have to type control panel. Here in the control panel, simply look for the option of power options. Inside the power options, you just have to choose the option of choose what the power buttons do. Now you need to turn off the fast startup and restart your PC. So this particular step alone is going to fix the freezes for many users. Now if the issue persists, you can try our second method, in which you can just simply check your storage health. For that, simply you can open your file explorer, then you can go to this PC. When you right click on that, you can go to the properties and the tools and you can check. So if your drive has bad sectors, Windows can freeze randomly. So you need to click on the scan drive and let the Windows fix the file errors. You can also come here in the settings of your account. Over here in the settings, simply go to the system option. In the system, simply go to the storage. Here, if your C drive is below 10 to 15% free space, Windows become really slow. So here you just have to look for the previous Windows installation, the temporary Windows update files, and any kind of unused apps. More free spaces is equal to smoother performance. So if you see the space is filled, you just have to reduce by deleting some of the files. So if this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.